Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, December 23rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Çela. Since it's Monday, that means it's time to dive into the big market movers for the week ahead. This week is a bit quieter on the markets front. It's holiday season after all, but there are still a few key data points to watch. We'll touch on durable goods, new home sales, and Japan's CPI. Let's dive in. Before we begin, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Alright, let's start with durable goods orders. The data for November drops this week, and analysts are expecting a slight dip, about 0.4% down from the previous month's 0.2% increase. So why does this matter? Well, durable goods are a good indicator of how businesses and consumers are feeling about big-ticket purchases. A drop here could hint at some softening in spending, but let's see how it plays out. Now, on to new home sales. November numbers are expected to show an uptick, with sales projected at 650,000 units compared to 610,000 in October. This is a bright spot because the housing market has been pretty resilient, even with everything going on. If these numbers hold, it could signal that buyers are still out there navigating higher prices and borrowing costs. Switching gears to Japan, their consumer price index for October comes out on Thursday. The consensus is for a 2.5% drop from September. That's quite a move, and it'll be interesting to see how it ties into the broader inflation picture. Japan has had a unique approach to inflation and monetary policy, and this data could influence how the Bank of Japan moves forward. So, if you're keeping tabs on global markets, this one's worth watching. And finally, a quick note on earnings. There's really not much to report. The season is wrapping up, and no major companies are on the calendar this week. So, you can take a breather on that front. And that's your quick update for the week ahead. It's a quieter one, but durable goods, new home sales, and Japan's CPI could still move the needle a bit. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Çela, wishing you a great holiday week. I'll catch you tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Cheerio!